it comes on, it just tells us we're transmitting, okay? Which is fine, which is good. It just tells us. Now, the signal basically comes out and it's going to hit this. Actually, the signal is going to go around the whole room. It's electromagnetic, okay? The transducer is set right to here. What I will do is I'll take a picture of this on the computer, then it will give me a map similar to the map that you showed there. That one, similar to that. Yeah, I'll take a picture of everything. I'll take a picture of this one, we'll put it up there. That'll be perfect. Then we get it in the database, and all I have to do is 4 pictures, I'm done. That's all we have to do. Very simple, very nice. But I want to explain the technology. So if I may take a few minutes and explain the technology. If I speak too fast, please tell me. I'll slow down. Do you understand my English?
A little.
A little. Okay.
Next 50.
Okay. All right. Let me explain the unit. Okay. Right now, this is a demo prototype only to get the signature code off of each explosive. Now, this unit right here is the gun itself. Now, if I turn it on, basically, it also emits a signal. But it's not set up to receive, and it's not the gun that we're going to bring the 20th of April. It's just a demo model prototype. But it does work. Okay, if I, of course, pull the trigger, I get a result. But basically, this has 3 systems on it. A laser pointer, and if I turn it on, it's a laser that you can see through. You can look through there. Come on. See, it's a laser pointer. It sends a signal out, and if we basically would move it around, I can scope it on that and move it in on that, and basically that laser will point towards that material. It'll come back and give me a reading, and then I'll take that and run the computer. Now that's not set up, but I just want to explain the basic operation of the unit. Then also we have a set of receiving tubes here, and this does RF. This also sends a signal out. And then we have a radar unit in here that sends a signal out. So we have 3 types of signals we send out, so we get 3 types of signals back. So if one fails, the other system takes over. All this then gets set in the computer. Now, basically, if you want to, you can put this on just a single mode, where you do a point and shoot like this, and you're doing a trigger, you're doing a trigger pull. Or if you want to, you can set it on continuous mode, and it will operate from here. And basically what you do is it just scans and goes around. You can put it on a mode, so if you want to move it or whatever you want to do with it. Or you can put it manual and physically move it where you want to. That's the gun. The gun we're bringing is a little bigger. The whole unit's bigger. This is a turret that just moves it. Let's say that you have a guard sitting here and at an entrance point, and he just gets tired and wants to smoke a cigarette or do something. He can just set it on automatic if he wants to, and just scan. When it hits something, it gives a signal, the audio signal or in the back, and he can look at it. It'll come up with a loud signal. So that's basically the gun. Once again, if he wants to do something manual, he can do something manual. Now, that's the gun. I can turn that off too. Now, the unit itself, this unit right itself, is a power unit. It's a key switch in the back. You can come take a look. It's a key switch, fuse, a power, turn it on, and once you take the key out, you can't turn it off. So we try and lock it in there so someone can't just turn it off. So it's got a key switch on it. Now, the unit we're bringing back will not have all this, and this got damaged in shipping. It got hidden. It will not have all this. All this will be hidden. You don't have to do this. This is just to get signature code off of that. Now, essentially, this is an oscillator, and this is another oscillator. If I take this, and of course, if I turn this on, and if I turn this on here, basically, as you can see, I can vary the power of the unit, of how much power I want to put on it. That'll be automatic. You won't have that one. And that's a switch. So that's one power unit. So basically you have the power supply, the oscillator, the antenna, and then you're going to have a receiver. But when we come back, everything will be combined in the gun, and you'll just have a power unit. And that's basically the unit that we're going to show the 20th for the demo.
คือที่ใช้จริงคือตัวนี้ตัวเดียว ใช่ครับใช่
Yeah.
ตัวนี้ตอนนี้ก็เป็นการรีเซ็ตเฉย
ครับผมใช่คือตัวนี้คือเป็น power supply แล้วก็ชุดคอมพิวเตอร์กันอยู่ในนี้เพราะว่ามันจะต่อพวกขยายเข้ามาให้ดูด้วย
So that's basically the unit there. Now what we're going to do is we'll turn this off, and essentially what I'm going to do is we modify a program that we have for our special use, and we're going to take a picture of it. As soon as it comes up, I will take a picture of it, and we'll see what it actually does. This is going to be pretty interesting. Now, because of the short range, like the C4, will give, well, we can put this here. The C4 will give a certain signature. We can put this around on the other side. Let's just see what it does, and let's just see if we can capture that signal and what that does. And give me just a minute here. This is initializing. The software has to initialize. Okay, we come up, and in a minute,
แป๊บเรียกลองหมอ
okay, we come up, and because of this, okay. Right now you can't see the picture. Let me show you the picture a little closer. Put the C4 just a little closer, and actually you can see the picture coming up. You can see it. Okay, there it is. You see it right there? It's coming up. So when I hit this, I'm going to go this,
Photo right now.
and basically took a picture. I'm going to take another
Like this?
picture.
Like
I
this?
capture the picture.
Yes or no? Like this?
Now this particular picture